Dear subscribers, in this video you will see Bosch dishwasher installation process. Enjoy. I'll be recording the installation process, if you don't mind.
No, I don't think so.
I just want to ask you to kill the power.
I was just going to say, do we need the power off the circuit? Yeah.
No, just dishwasher off.
Oh, you've learned which one that is. You've had plenty of practice.
Thank you. Okay. Okay. Old dishwasher here. Okay. Empty some space here. Yeah, there's a bit of stuff here. I just need to empty it to have access to hoses. Shut-off valve is on the left, so I need to remove this as well. Okay. Okay. Water shut-off. In most cases, if you have dishwasher leaking, this is where shut-off valve is located. And it's better to close it tight. Sometimes it's not closing completely. And this silver line goes to the dishwasher. This is drain. Okay, here. Right, so this one will go to the curb, right? So I'll disconnect completely. Okay. Okay, water is here. Electrical is here. Okay, junction box. Even if this one is hardwired. Yeah, but I have a junction box, it's $30 extra. Because Bosch should be hardwired. Should have a plug for electrical connection. When I'll pull dishwasher out, we'll see if there is an outlet behind, then you don't need a junction box. But if you don't have plug, so then it should be connected through a junction box. Okay, here additionally we can check if there's power or not. No power, no sparks, good. Disconnecting drain and put this plug in so water won't be leaking when I'll move it. Okay. Okay, now it's ready to go out. Pardon?
Where's that wire coming from?
It comes through the walls to breaker panel. Okay.
So for code, should it be like a waterproof junction box?
Yeah, for Bosch, there is a specific Bosch junction box that should be used. It has wheels, so I'll just pull it here. Okay, so I'll put it here for now, then I can move it in a better spot. Okay, new dishwasher. So here we have everything. Water line. And they should have it. Oh, yes, this is a junction box. There should be.
Last time I got it and it had a plug in it and I didn't need to.
Yes, exactly. Perfect. Yeah. So, you see, you're very well prepared. Very nice. Okay, we have a junction box. Okay, Benita, your water line, how old is this dishwasher?
7.
7? It's up to you. Like, usually during installation, it's recommended if it's more than 5 years old, it's usually recommended to replace it. Yeah. But sometimes they can last, much longer. Here you see this rubber seal here. Yeah. It has shape from previous water valve connection. This one is new water valve, like it's still will be in working order, but this rubber is already almost like a plastic. So it won't be as flexible to seal properly. So ideally, it's better to replace it. So it's up to you.
Do you have one?
I have one. Yeah, I brought it. $20 with connector, everything.
Probably a good idea.
Okay, so I'll replace it then. Because yeah, new is always better. Dishwasher comes with power cord, but there is no outlet here. That's why we'll do junction box installation. Okay, and there will be new water line. So I'll connect it right now. It's water line connection. And before that, let me measure size. Okay, so it fits good. I can slightly lift up legs, or even leave them as is. So this dishwasher has this type of elbow connector. So first I'll connect to the dishwasher, then it will be easier. Because it's not very convenient to connect it when it's dishwasher already on the floor. No problem, I should put this properly, so it will go exactly on the thread, otherwise, if not, you might have leak. Okay, good. Now junction box. So there is no space to hide a junction box here, so I'm going to locate it under dishwasher. This contact should be slightly longer. White one goes to the middle, it will be shorter. And length of ground and line should be equal. This connector should be installed so wire won't be moving. It will stay nice and firm inside. And before I secure it, I'll measure so this white cord goes exactly into this bracket. This is a locking ring. Now, black goes there, ground goes here. I have to bend them slightly so they will go inside easily. And white just in the middle. And I push this wire in, so white cord in the middle will go deeper, and it will be a nice connection. Okay, the junction box is connected. So power cord is ready. Water line should be disconnected here because we will use new one. So drain hose on this dishwasher should be connected separately. So here we have screws and clamps for installation. Here is drain connection. This black clamp should be used to connect it. So I'll pre-install it on the hose first, then it will be easier to lock it in place. So hole on this direction, hole in the wall. Also install it in this direction as well. So it will go straight under the sink without any bends. Okay, and right there, good. So now I can put hoses, bring them inside. Drain, water line, electrical. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to locate a junction box here under the dishwasher, and this connector goes right there. So power is there. I'll just let it in. Okay, and I'll install these brackets for dishwasher connection to the counter.
Take the stuff out.
Yeah, this I don't need it anymore. Thank you. Okay, so here, brackets will be located here. 2 brackets. Secure them with screws. One and second one. And before I slide it in, I'll connect water to see if there are no leaks. If water valve on the dishwasher side is connected for that. Water is open. No leaks here. Everything nice and dry. Okay. Now I can connect drain hose. And before doing that, I'll push this washer into place. Okay, I just want to lift up back of the dishwasher. And to do it, I'll just lift up rear leg, which is only one at the back of the dishwasher, and there are two legs in front. And up the front legs. Okay. Now it's my drain hose. So I have to create loop here before I put drain. Connect drain to the connector, so it will go from here. Okay, good. Yeah, clamp is in place. Nice and tight, water is not leaking. And before attaching, just want to see the level. Okay. To lower front legs slightly. Cabinets are not always perfect, so sometimes I need to adjust the cabinet. Okay. Okay, nice and tight. And I want to check if everything looks good there. Okay. Installation is done. Just removing the packaging. We can do test. Dishwasher is on. And let's run it. Okay, it's loading. Okay, so set. Let's see, speed, and start. Just to make sure legs are not moving, I'll put this stopper screws here, so the dishwasher will stay on the same level over the time. Here everything is dry, hoses are connected. No leaks here. Nice and dry. So finally I can install this sound insulation. Okay, almost done. I'm just testing right now, and I will install kick plate, and that's it. So it's running already. Looks nice.
Can they give you a sample of dish pellet or something?
Yes, yes. I left them together with manuals. Right there. This is user manual. This is some samples. Kick plate. Done. Looks nice and fine. This is protective film for transportation, actually, here. Almost invisible. I can remove it, or I can leave it for
Leave it for now, I think.
yeah, because you can remove it at any time, but it will be nicely protected. Quite often I'm coming, this film stays for 10 years, and people don't know that it was just for transportation, for protection. Okay, so let's take this out. Okay, this is a power cord, but you can keep it as spare, who knows. You might need it probably for something else. Okay, hold on. Nice.
I'm just going to do the floor quickly.
Okay, yeah, sure.
And,
I'll wait for you outside.
Have you got all your stuff?
Yes.
You have, okay.
Yes, I took all my stuff. Do you want me to move the dishwasher to some particular spot?
You can to the street, like to the, where you put the, oh no, yeah, just,
On this side. Okay.
yeah, sort of over the little fence. See how the fence has got a gap in it? I don't know if that's too far for you.
No, it's not.
Basically, like,
I see. Near this. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, no problem. I'll do it now. Okay. This dishwasher has wheels, so it will go
Thank you for watching.
Okay, right here.
Follow us and feel free
We'll
to
be ready
contact
for
any
garbage.
appliance repair or
Pickup.
installation needs in Toronto and GTA.